By pressing the space button, you will drag the summary into your working area. Annotations section. I hope you liked the video. In the upcoming lecture we'll discuss further sections. And if you like our video, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.